digital signal processing in speech recognition system. See, digital signal processing is a branch of engineering that deals with mathematical manipulation to store the information or signal to extract the data. Right? It can be your images, video, or ECG biomedical images such as EEG, ECG, etc. It is used in telecommunications, speech recognition. Now let us discuss about the case study.
So next one is objectives. So objectives that digital system processing of functions so involved in the specifications and functionalities of digital system processing. That involves the data and the informations store the processing of data. So speech recognizing systems. So the specificities of functions and store the impact.
Tools and technologies. These instruments include microprocessor like bits and software like Octave and Bilbis, etc. These are the main processors and hardware components of the DSP.
DSP in speech recognition systems. Creating a speech recognition systems using creating a speech recognition system by enabling understanding for human accurately in real life. Despite challenges like background voices and accents, speech speed, etc. Speech is one of the most natural word of communication. Application ranges from IoT devices like voice assistants like Alexa or Siri to IoT healthcare devices, which increase and operates in hands-free operations.
System design. Input signal accumulation. Hardware which converts the microphone which captures the analog speech signal, and ADC which converts the analog speech signal into discrete signal, and the sampling rate typically which is 16 kilohertz, which can be captured as 8 kilohertz because the human audible is up to 8 kilohertz, and pre-processing noise reduction. Filters like Wiener filter and Kalman filter are used to reduce noise, and amplitude normalization ensures uniform signals and captures the speech, voice, and windowing. Short segments of the signals are processed to maintain time resolution.
Feature extraction reduces the high dimensional signals into meaningful and manageable features. In that MFCC, which is referred to Mel frequency spectral coefficients, which will convert the speech signal into frequency domains, and it also converts the map frequencies into Mel scales, and it stimulates the human hearing. Next is about STFT, which refers to the short time Fourier transform, which will analyze both the signals in time and the frequency domains. Next is about Next is Next is about the machine learning models, which we will be using the HMM, that is hidden Markov models, which is widely used because of its ability of time varying models, and neural networks have also been used because of its deep learning models like RNN and LTSM.
Output generation. The recognized speech is converted into text and actionable commands. Text is for logging and display. For action command is for controlling device and application. Challenges in DSP with speech recognition, environmental noise. Background must have an observe speech and reduce accuracy. Solution: acceptable floating techniques and noise burst processing, real-time processing. Process must have a minimal latency. Solutions: use an high frequency DSP for produce DSP for the signals of speech recognitions and speech speech visibilities, difference in asset dialects and speaking speeds, training models and diverse data sets.
I'm going to tell about the workway. Implementation workway. Implementation workway is divided into three: hardware, software and testing. So here we are going to see about hardware like microphones and ADC and DSP processor. And in software we are going to use two languages like Python and Java, which will analyze the system and control the system. And at last, tester, which it will be test the environment conditions and noise environment conditions. So the basic results are controlling the environment up to 95%. And recently, while testing, we can able to see that noise environment was reduced to 97%. And at last, reducing the time taken was depending upon the systems and the programs and softwares, hardwares and testings.
Application. Voice assistance, healthcare, customer support and automotive. These are the basic implementations and applications of the DSP, and it also helps in the basic future economic of the DSP.
So I conclude here by saying that DSP is an integral method which is used in speech recognition systems, which adequately used in many of the IoT devices. Despite consequences like background noises and accuracy, and also adequate requirements in DSP methods and machine learning algorithms are driving innovations. Thank you.